So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So here I've got the wonderful iPad mini. Many of you have already seen it on our channel. So we're going to go straight into the video of today. You see quite small, the iPad mini. I think it's great chip, great battery. So if you go to settings and you go here right downwards to Touch ID and passcode, as you can see, it will ask you for the passcode. So you just jot it right down right here real quick. And then automatically you'll see that it tells you Touch ID and passcode. So here you can change passcode, turn passcode off. So you can also add fingerprints. Basically, once it says adding fingerprints, you just press it right here in the actual place where you actually, let's say, you turn it on and off. And that's also your Touch ID from now on. So before it was the home button, right now it's the actual turning on and turning off button. As you can see, it says move finger, so we keep on trying, and then once you finish, you'll see that it will tell you, there you go, capture all your fingerprints, continue, and then you just rotate it sideways. This is just so to ensure that all the actual let's say sides and peripherals of your actual finger, in that way it's much easier. And then you see you've got finger number 3. So here, require passcode immediately. You can also configure it when you want it, and in general it's pretty customizable, and I think that it's pretty useful. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you've got any questions or any problems regarding setting up your passcode in your iPad mini, let me know in the comments. And thank you very much for watching.